Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know whether Zable does offer multiple languages or reasons or not. Now Zable primary focus on providing its service in specific language and reasons. However, the ability of language and reasons may vary depending on the Zable's expansion effort and user demand. In order to determine whether the Zable app is available in multi-language or reasons, you'll have to follow this step. First of all, you could go ahead and open up your Zable application or the website, and then you could go ahead and read the description and check whether the app allows multiple language or reasons or not. Or else within the Zable app you could look for an option or settings related to language preferences or reasons selected. This may indicate the ability of multiple language or reasons as well. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could go ahead and contact the customer support team and state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter, or they should be able to provide you with the answer. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.